In this video, I am going to teach you how to link custom domain name to card.go website. So as you can see, I have in here my website and it only having here this particular part. So if you want to have your own custom domain connected to your card.go, first thing you need to do is to head over right here to their website. And then from in there, you will be prompted to log in, or you can also choose a starting point or a template that you want to use. Just in here the template that you want, and once you have chosen something, you should be able to edit it just like this. Now, we can actually change our custom domain name by clicking onto this icon right here that prompts us to publish our site. Click on this right there, and then after that, you should be able to see in here that we have a card.co URL. So this is our card.co URL, and we do not want to use this. What we do want is to add a custom domain. We can head over and click onto this action right here, which is to publish the custom domain. However, do take note that this one is locked for the free trial or for the subscribe plan of card.co. So you need to make sure that you're subscribed to a plan by card.co in order to integrate your own custom domain. If you do not want to subscribe, you only have the option to publish it to a card.co URL and to save it as an online shop depending to your liking. So you have these two options right there and you can just choose one. So I recommend you to choose this one. Now if you're wondering where to get a custom domain, you can head over to your new tab and then you can go to namecheap.com. So namecheap.com has a lot of free or as well as cheap domains that you can utilize. So for example, let's put in here cardwell. You can just search the card name or the domain name and it will provide you some suggestions for domain extensions. So once you have chosen the domain name that you want, you can just click onto this add to cart and then pay for this domain, and you can integrate it to your card.co by clicking onto this option right here. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.